Good morning, everyone. Morning, everyone. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I am Anuradha Mishra from the IoT Academy. Thank you, everyone, for joining free webinar on training of internship program and learn how a smart home works using Google Firebase, an initiative by IIT Guwahati and RFRF and the IoT Academy. Now I invite Mr. Kauslendra Singh Sisodia, IIT Kanpur alumnus, Director of Uniconverse Technologies and Chief Mentor of the IoT Academy. Over to you.
Okay, thanks, Anuradha. Good morning, everyone. Let me share my screen. So, good morning, everyone. Thanks to everyone for joining today's session. That too is on weekend. You have busy schedule, but you still spared still spared some time from your busy schedule. So today's topic is some introduction about the Anudaksh program that is initiated by IIT Guwahati and RFRF Nagpur, and then there would be a hands-on session by Mr. Jitesh for the smart home using Google Firebase. So this is my brief introduction. I'm Kaushling Singh Sisodia, and we are industry partner for Anudaksh program that is initiated by IIT Guwahati and RFRF Nagpur. I am IIT Kanpur alumnus having 20 plus years industry experience, and I have worked with more than 7 years in Ericsson AV in Sweden. So today's agenda is we would be discussing about expectations from industries, because this is very important point. Everybody, all of you are studying, you are spending your 3 years or 4 years, or the people who are in masters, they are spending 2 years additional, and already they have spent 4 years. So each and everyone's ultimate aim is to get a decent job in very good MNC, and probably everybody would like to go to out of India, to abroad. So at least for small period, and if some people would be willing to even settle down out of India. So we would be discussing about expectations from the industries, that what industries are expecting from the students who are undergraduate. And then role of industrial training. So this is the time, the summer time, that is generally reserved for summer training, industrial training, internship, and what is its role in professional career. Then we would be discussing about Anudaksh offering. What is the execution plan for Anudaksh training? And in the last, the session for the smart home using Google Firebase would be taken by Mr. Jitesh. So before starting about the expectations from the industries, we would like to listen some news from placements from various colleges. So sometimes we hear that some student has bagged a offer of 64.5 lakhs, and it was done by LPU University student. And one student from Sushant University, he had taken offer of 40 lakhs per annum. 5 students from Triple IT had got more than 1 crore package. So there are a lot of such kind of news. But there is one very trivial question comes that how do they manage to get a very good offer? Is it luck by chance, or really they deserve for it? And if they deserve for it, what special they have done? Probably they have utilized their time in a best way. They have tried to acquire the skills that are very much relevant in the industries at the right time. Because they have the right skills, the industries are ready to pay whatever they are they want. So this is each and every undergraduate or every student's responsibility, that they should devote their time at the in acquiring the right skills. You should not waste your time. You should, sometimes we have seen that students, they try to just manage to get a certificate, because the college is asking for a summer training certificate. They will get, they will not visit any industry, but somehow by paying or not paying any amount, they will manage to get a certificate. But there is no use for it, because ultimately after 1 year, when they will face the real industry, the industry would be asking for the real experience, real knowledge, real hands-on projects exposure. So everybody should try to devote their time to learn something new. And these are the expectations from the industries. So before understanding the expectations from industries, we need to understand the challenges. What kind of challenges industries are facing? Since technologies are moving very fast, so industries also have to move very fast. Every day there is a new kind of innovation in every technology. So industries have to adopt those innovations. They have to improve their product, or they have to bring new products. Market is too competitive nowadays. Margins for the industries are very narrow, and they have to keep on bringing their product in a very short span of time. They cannot wait for a longer time. Otherwise, somebody else will come and kill your product. So industries are facing a lot of competition, and industries are moving towards cloud for moving their infrastructure and other applications. So all the infrastructure applications are moving towards the cloud. So from the physical infrastructure, everything is going on cloud. So lot of things that is driven by cloud applications, data applications. So those kind of technologies are very much in demand. So we have to understand these are the challenges that industries are facing, and because of these challenges, they are having some expectations from the resources that they want to hire. So they want to hire a resource that is having knowledge of multiple domain with expertise in at least one. So they expect, because technologies are lot of technologies are there, and many of the technologies are open source. So it is nobody is limited to learn anything. Ev- all the knowledge, all the information is spread it across the internet. It is available to each and everyone. So they expect that every student should have very good knowledge in each and every domain, and he should have expertise at least in one. And the student should be a very good team player. He should have right attitude, aptitude, and the problem solver. Since technologies are very new, when we implement the technology, we deploy it, lot of real time challenges comes. So on the go, how quickly the person can solve the problem, they want that kind of executive. And the people should have good communication skills. So other than technical skills, the soft skills are very much required. So these kind of expectations generally industries have from the freshers. And if we talk about few domains that are very much in buzzword, and how those are driven by the latest technologies. So these are the few domains like digital transformation, industrial IoT, 5G, drones, robots, electrical vehicles. So you would have heard most of these names. and there are a lot of job requirements going to happen in all these domains. So let us see one by one that what exactly these domains are, which companies are working in these domains, and what are the technologies that are driving these domains. So if we start from digital transformation or industrial IoT, so basically, whatever we have a critical resource in physical domain, we should have a digital replica also. We should have digital twin. Generally, people say digital twin. Or whatever we have operation technology, it should be properly integrated with the integration with the information technology. So everything should be digitally transformed, and all the factories, all the manufacturing industries or the IT industries, those should be properly connected. So that is the concept of digital transformation, and the technologies that are involved for implementation of it is the IoT, machine learning, cloud computing, full stack. So all these technologies are required to achieve digital transformation. And there are the few companies. We have listed very few companies because of the space crunch. So these are the companies that are working in this domain: Accenture, BCG, Capgemini, Cognizant, Deloitte, ENY, HCL, KPMG, McKinsey, and PwC. If we talk about 5G, 5G is like government is also pushing very high, and by the end of next year we would be having where full deployment of 5G. We would be having phones, all the services would be 5G enabled. So how the 5G can be achieved? By using the embedded system, IoT, telecom, machine learning, cloud computing, AR, VR. So 5G would open doors for many other applications. So this is again a combination of multiple technologies. And what are the companies that are working? Samsung, Ericsson, Qualcomm, ZTE, AT&T, Nokia, T-Mobile, Huawei, Verizon, Vodafone. So these are the companies, the major big MNCs that are working in 5G. If we talk about robots, we are requiring embedded system again, mechatronics, AI, IoT, and cloud computing. So why we are discussing all these things? Because if you master any of the technology here, you can apply in any of the fields that we are talking right now. You can apply in any of the domains, so that you can decide based on your interest, your expertise, and the kind of opportunity you will get. And the companies that are working in robots: ABB, Fanuc, Kuka, Yasakawa, Epson, Kawasaki, Mitsubishi, uh, Okado. And I have put one YouTube link also here. We will share this slide with you. You have to go through with the you have to go through this YouTube link. You will see that how the people are making robots in, even for the order delivery. So that you can also see later on. We have short of time, we cannot see that. If we talk about drones, government is pushing hard to they are pushing very much for drones manufacturing, and we can have lot of application based on the drones. So there is a statement from Modi ji, our prime minister, that he wants drones to be as common as mobile phones. And there are a lot of application of drones that I will not go through. I will share the slide. You can check it later. Lot of applications that are going to happen using drones. And if we talk about electrical vehicles, here again we require embedded system, full stack, IoT, and cloud computing. And there are a lot of companies that are working in electrical vehicles. Now this is, we have discussed that these are the various domains, and there are many other domains also that you are already aware. So I didn't touch those domains. These are the new domains that are very much in hype, and they will remain for next few years. So now we will see what are the role of the industrial training and internship in professional career. how you should utilize your summer time, your free time, learning new skills. So this is the first step to real industry or corporate. You, the purpose of internship or industrial training, that you should go and visit some industrial industry, understand their work culture, under like interact with their employees, and understand the real challenges from the industries. That is the major purpose of industrial training, and it gives you a glimpse of industrial and corporate culture. It gives you a clear direction of your learning. So you have already spent few years in your college learning theoretical subjects, some practicals also you have learned. Now this is the chance you can check that how much you have learned, and is it matching with the industrial requirement or not. If it is not matching, then still you have one more year. You can learn, you can fine tune your learnings according to the industrial need, and it gives you a chance for self evaluation. So that's why industrial training and internship is very much required. So you are requested to do this internship from a real industry, not from like just don't buy a certificate from anywhere, because it will not solve your purpose. You have enrolled yourself in engineering or any professional course. It means that you have to face the industry at one point of time. So you cannot escape from there. And this is like a hand holding by. So when you go for training summer training, it is provided by your TNP, your college training and placement cell, your seniors, friends, or relatives. So if you are like very skilled, you have already knowledge, then your TNP will certainly help you, and you will get a automatically very good offer from a good company for internship, or using your seniors, friends, all these things you can utilize. But there are few students who probably because of not proper guidance or other thing, they were not able to acquire the skills, and then they are not very sure how to proceed further, and they have somewhere lack of confidence also, that will they be able to perform in corporate or not. So they need some extra help. So that's why we people have started a program that is called Anudaksh. So this Anudaksh program is for the and this is initiative by IIT Guwahati and RFRF, and this is for the students who needs really some extra help, who are not very much up to date with the latest technologies. So they, we can guide them to learn the new technology, and we can give some exposure, we can give exposure to the industrial projects. So that is the whole purpose of this Anudaksh program. And here we want to have skill India to attain the self reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. And the vision and mission for Anudaksh program is that we have to train 50 lakhs students in next 5 years in various domains. And about IIT Guwahati, that is the initiator of this program. So I need not to go through IIT Guwahati. Everybody knows what is IIT Guwahati. So there are some lines, some introduction that you can go through if somebody is not aware. But I hope 100% of the audience would be aware what is IIT Guwahati. And then what is RFRF? It is Research for Resurgence Foundation, and it was like multiple times inaugurated. Multiple events were inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi, and it has lot of MOUs with various universities. I think it is having more than 128. We have written here, but right now, as of date, I think it is having MOUs with more than 200 universities, and its main purpose is to plan and do the design of policies for academicians and for the faculties. So that is the main purpose of RFRF. And if we talk about the program that we are discussing, Anudaksh program, Anudaksh program has multiple activities. One is the master classes that runs throughout the year, and another is the TIP, training cum internship program. That would be running for next 2 months during the summertime. And these are the different topics that are being covered: IoT and cloud, machine learning and edge AI, cyber security, embedded system and IoT, mobile application, data science, full stack development, biological science and healthcare, health tech, transistor to risk 5 processor, complete hands-on journey. So these are the different topics based on the today's industrial demand. We have decided all these topics. It would be started from June 27th of this month. Just a second. So there is, I think, IIT Guwahati has suggested to delay it little bit because in South, some of the colleges are still having exams. So probably it would be delayed little bit from June 27th. But some of the batches may start from 27th. Some of the batches will start in July. So it would be starting from June 27th onwards, and it would run in July and August. And duration is 6 weeks. It is 4 weeks training and 2 weeks internship project. So training would be giving you a real industrial environment, industrial learning. And this is since training is delivered by IIT Guwahati, IIT professors and industrial people. So there is some cost involved in it, and that cost is 5,000 rupees, and it includes all GST and other transaction charges. So this is the program not for everyone, like the person who can afford and who has proper skills and get a good internship from good company, then it is not required. But the people who are feeling that they are not having good skills and they need extra support, and this let me assure you that this relationship is lifelong. We have a very good network. After completion of this program, each and everybody would be having a chance uh, to like face the interviews. We would be arranging some interviews uh, after completion of your course, and we would be helping you to get a very good career growth. So that is the kind of commitment we have. So that's why the students who need a guidance, who needs hand holding, they should definitely opt for this option. And if you people, some of you are feeling that okay, you are very much skilled, you don't require this program, but at least guide your friends who are not that much skilled, so that they can get benefited. So you have to the we request you to spread the words about the Anudaksh program, that this is really will really benefit all the students who are acquiring the right skills. So the benefits of the trainees are that the everything is the curriculum is designed by the industrial expert and IIT Guwahati faculties. Certificate would be given by IIT Guwahati. So this is very important point, that certification is by IIT Guwahati. Guest lecture by IIT Guwahati, and it is based on the hands-on learning by industrial people, industrial oriented skill sets. The project would be based again based on the industrial grade. We would be providing the job assistance and guidance, and there would be some workshop on entrepreneurship and the business ecosystem. This is the sample certificate that would be provided. Here it would be having the logo of IIT Guwahati, then RFRF, and the third logo would be from the industry partner. So here it is IoT Academy, but for different courses, there are different industry partners. And the people who would be doing courses from IoT Academy, they would be having additional certificate from Unique Converse Technologies, because Uniconverse Technologies is the parent company of IoT Academy, and it is a industrial automation based company that is working on Industry 4.0. So you would be provided project from Uniconverse Technologies, and you would get a additional certificate for internship. And this Anudaksh program was inaugurated on 18th of January, and it was attended by three IIT directors, one director from IIT Guwahati, IIT Madras, and IIT Ropar. And there were 200 plus VCs that attended this program, and total more than 360 participation was there. And this is the few visuals from the program inauguration. IIT Guwahati directors visual, IIT Madras directors visual, IIT Ropar uh, director visuals, and other dignitaries. So there are some other dignitaries that were also involved. A lot of VCs and directors were involved in this program. So this is the brief introduction about the program, and this is the website where you can go and check different kind of courses. You can check the benefits. You can do the registration over here. So this is the brief introduction that I wanted to share, and you can ask the question if you have any.
No, sir.
Let me check if there are any questions here. Please list down your questions and Q&A. I can check if there are any I should take. So there is a question. Please send the slide. It would be sent. Um, any job created after apprentice in building construction department, government of Bihar. So will we get certificate of attending this meeting? Yeah, you would be sent participation certificate for this webinar. There is a question that are there any free internship? The free internship were there, but that those seats are already over. So we are left with this paid internship, and this is including the training part. So internship is free. Please note down here also we are devoting 6 weeks, 4 weeks for training and 2 weeks for internship. So the charges that we are taking, because there are lot of faculties, industry experts are involved. Their time is very precious. So we have to pay something to them. So that's why the training part is paid. Internship part is still free. And this course is generally is of worth 15,000 rupees. But because of the summer training and the government mandate, this is very much subsidized. And now it is launched at 5,000 rupees. There is a question, what is the fee of machine learning program? So the fee is same for each and every program. That is 5,000 rupees. All courses have different fees. No, all the courses are of same fees. Can we have industrial visit after internship? Yeah, you can have industrial visit after the internship, because we have tie up with various industries. So you can have an option for doing the industrial visit. There is one question, what about the hardware modules are you providing or we have to purchase? So for hardware module, there is an option. We will suggest you the hardware modules. You can purchase yourself, or we can also send you. So but when we will send you, that would be like it would be cheaper than the industrial the you will buy from the market. So you have both the option, buy from the market or buy from us. There is one question, nanotechnology and nanoscience. Right now, we don't have internship in this field. We have only one topic. We have bioscience. You can check that one, not specifically for nanotechnology and nanoscience. So there is a question in EV course how this training and internship will be done. See, EV when we talked about EV, that is a domain. So for getting a job in that particular domain, you have to choose, you have to work on any of the technologies that were shown here. So we have given a list of courses that we are offering. You have to choose only from those courses. I can show again if people have missed. We are right now supporting these many topics, these many courses. So you have to check, either you have to choose IoT and cloud, machine learning and edge AI, cyber security, embedded system and IoT, mobile application, data science, full stack development, biological science, or transition to risk 5 processor. We have these 9 courses or 9 topics on which you can do training come internship. Again, the training is of 4 weeks and internship is for 2 weeks. So you would be given industrial project, and the training would be as per the industrial need. Like whatever industries are expecting, that thing would be taught to you, not your academical thing. It is like you would be made ready for facing any industrial interview. So that kind of knowledge would be shared with you. There is a one question, I need free internship and training program. So if you need a free internship and training program, that right now, sorry, that is over. Whenever we have in future, please we will inform you. We have all the databases. So whenever we have free one, we will definitely share with you. But again, when we say free internship, that would be that would be only internship part. No training would be given that one. You will get only the internship. So we would expect in that program that you have all the skills required, and you need no mentoring, no other kind of knowledge is required, additional knowledge is required to be given, and you can directly work on an industrial problem statement, industrial project. So that would be the assumption. So if you have that kind of caliber, that kind of knowledge, definitely you should apply for that for the internship program. But this year it is not going to happen. It would happen next year because those seats are already over. Ma'am, fees can't be less. Fees is right now, it is decided by IIT Guwahati, so it cannot be cannot be made lesser than this. But if you talk to your faculties, your college, and they approach IIT Guwahati directly, and we will share some email ID, then based on the college, probably there could be some discount given, but it would be given to the college, not individual student. Is it okay to pay for internship program to a IT company? See, for internship, if it is just internship, you should not pay. If you feel that you require some training and then they are providing some internship, then see, based on always you should try for the free internship, but you also need to evaluate yourself. It should not happen that you don't have any skills but you are trying to find a free internship, then like it would be totally mismatched. What will you end up after like completion of your graduation? Neither you would be having good knowledge, neither you would be having good industrial exposure. Then how will you get the job? So after four completing your graduation, you will again devote one more year to do extra training or working somewhere. just for free, or probably you have to pay that time, and probably you have to pay 30,000-40,000 rupees or maybe more than that, and you would be wasting again 1 more year for acquiring the skills. So this is the best time during your graduation time. If you can acquire all the needed skills, then that would be the best part. This internship is also for experienced person. See, you can explore the program, and if you feel that even if you are experienced, but whatever information is provided, whatever project is being given, that will help to enhance your knowledge, you can still opt for this option. Course language is only in English. English and Hindi, it could be like little bit mixed, but mostly it would be in English. When we will get the PPT, you will get today. I think training language is Hindi and English. कॉमर्स फील्ड के बच्चों के लिए लाइक कॉमर्स फील्ड के, if there are some commerce field students, they can opt for data science or machine learning kind of program they can opt. What will be the timing will be given, like it would be mostly in the evening, and if some people are available in the morning, that also can be done, but mostly the courses would run in evening. There is one question from Piyush Aman, but what is the question? He told, please reply. Piyush Aman, any internship for MTech in nanoscience? Okay, Piyush, you have already asked, and I have already answered that nanoscience we are not providing. How IoT Academy is connected with IIT Guwahati to organize this program? So IIT Guwahati is a partner in this Anudaksh program. So there are almost 7 industry partners that would be delivering all kind of courses. So IoT Academy is one of them. सो सर मुझे आईआईटी गुवाहाटी से क्या ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा? हाँ, इसमें जो ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेट आपको मिलेगा, दैट वुड बी गिवन बाय आईआईटी गुवाहाटी, सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आप एक छोटे कॉलेज से आपने पढ़ाई किया है बहुत ज्यादा और आपको भी अभी भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, then at least you would be having a very good certificate that has very very good value. इंडस्ट्री में कम से कम आपको एक बार इंटरव्यू देने का मौका तो मिलेगा. आपका सीवी शॉर्टलिस्ट तो होगा. अगर अच्छा आपका प्रोजेक्ट लिखा होगा आपके सीवी में, और एक आईआईटी गुवाहाटी का नाम लिखा होगा, लेकिन आईआईटी गुवाहाटी से अभी सर्टिफिकेट आसानी से यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा. आपको इसमें भी मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू सबमिट ऑल द असाइनमेंट्स, यू हैव टू सबमिट द प्रोजेक्ट इन टाइम, तब आपको जाके आईआईटी गुवाहाटी का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. आईआईटी गुवाहाटी भी इतना मतलब यू हैव टू फुलफिल ऑल द क्राइटेरिया, देन ओनली आईआईटी गुवाहाटी विल गिव द सर्टिफिकेट. तो मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, और हम लाइक इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर नोज how to make how to get the efforts from all the participants. आपसे कैसे मेहनत करानी है वो हमें पता है, हम करा लेंगे, और सब लोग लाइक you will really get benefited from this program. uh, how long is the course duration? Course duration ये वाला जो है, this 1.5 month, 6 weeks program is only there. Then this program is totally online. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ ऑफलाइन नहीं है, एवरीथिंग इज ऑनलाइन. वेब डेवलपमेंट का अभी कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, कोई इंटर्नशिप नहीं है. मैकेनिकल वालों के लिए अभी कुछ नहीं है, बट they can learn data science, machine learning, this kind of courses they can do right now. Python programming is also there, because we have to do machine learning and data science. First we have to do the Python programming, and then we have to go for that one. Full stack development ka there is one course. You can check more details by going on the website www.anudaksh.com. वहां पे आप जाके देख लो. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का नहीं है अभी कुछ. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का वी आर नॉट रनिंग. दिस इज वीकडेज क्लासेस, नो वीकेंड. ऑफलाइन का नहीं है इसमें, ऑफलाइन का लाइक वी आर नॉट रनिंग ऑफलाइन अगेन देयर इज see there is no stipend because this is the training cum internship program. We are giving training, we are devoting lot of time, and time is being devoted by the industry expert जिनका जिनका पैकेज ही ऑलरेडी 1-1 करोड़ रुपए है, वो आपको आगे पढ़ाएंगे। आईआईटी गुवाहाटी के प्रोफेसर्स का है, दे हैव वेरी वैल्यूएबल टाइम। वो लोग आके अपना आपको टाइम देंगे, आपको पूरा एक्सपीरियंस दिलाएंगे, तो उनके टाइम का वैल्यू कैसे करके होगा कंपनसेट। तो ये थोड़ा सा इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ लिटिल चार्जेस फॉर द ट्रेनिंग पार्ट, इंटर्नशिप इज टोटली फ्री हियर। कोई यहाँ पे लाइक देयर इज नो फी कंसेशन बिकॉज ऑलरेडी दिस इज वेरी मच डिस्काउंटेड रेट। अगर आप यही कोर्स अभी कुछ टाइम बाद करेंगे 15,000 रुपीज पे करना पड़ेगा। एनी प्रीरिक्विजिट फॉर द कोर्स, आपको थोड़ा बहुत प्रोग्रामिंग आना चाहिए, आपके पास अच्छा सिस्टम होना चाहिए, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग। फॉर मैथमेटिकल स्टूडेंट विच कोर्स इज हेल्पफुल, यू कैन गो फॉर डेटा साइंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग। फिजिक्स स्टूडेंट के लिए अगेन डेटा साइंस मशीन लर्निंग दे कैन गो फॉर इट। और फिजिक्स स्टूडेंट they can also go for IoT also if they want to, they have some interest, they can opt for that one. How can I join internship and training program? That you can go through the website and we will share you a guide also how you can enroll for the course. So there is a complete guide, you can use that one. 27 के बाद इंटर्नशिप कब होगा, इट विल कीप ऑन कमिंग। आप उसमें रजिस्टर करा लो, अगला जैसे डेट आएगा आपको डेट इन्फॉर्म हो जाएगा। कैन आई गेट प्लेसमेंट आफ्टर इंटर्नशिप? वी विल ट्राई अवर बेस्ट, वी हैव a team that helps in the placement activities, so but we can arrange interview for you. It is up to you that how much knowledge you have and are you able to crack the interview or not. Little idea about data structure and what about it in itself. See, if you are talking about a data structure, see, this is not the scope of this this webinar. We cannot go in technicality. Which benefit for ITI student? ITI students को लिए industry the IoT पे they should learn IoT because that is the next level of like ITI students generally they work on PLC, SCADA or some industrial automation thing. So if they have some knowledge about IoT, Internet of Things, that would definitely help them to get better career growth. तो ITI के बच्चे IoT का कोर्स ले सकते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले बच्चे that they can do for IoT course. If not available, is not available in evening time में ही generally courses रहेगा। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कम्युनिकेशन इज पार्टिसिपेट और नॉट दिस। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कम्युनिकेशन के लिए तो सारे कोर्स ओपन है, कोई सा भी कोर्स ले सकते हैं वो लोग। वेब डेवलपमेंट का नहीं है कुछ भी। ऑफलाइन का जब आएगा तब आपको बता देंगे, ऑफलाइन का भी नहीं है कुछ ऐसा। इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट एंड प्लेसमेंट आपको इसका लाइक दैट इज देयर, वी विल हेल्प यू इन दैट। 5,000 में कोई डिस्काउंट, आप कॉलेज लेवल पे डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है, आप कॉलेज से बात करो, वो आईआईटी गुवाहाटी को कांटेक्ट करेंगे एंड देन यू कैन गेट द डिस्काउंट। So I think for bioinformatics, which course I should join? There is one bioinformatics course is there. I can show you that biological and science and health tech. This course you can go. What is the best training for MCA student? MCA वाले के लिए data science, machine learning they can attend. Mechanical के लिए I think mechanical के लिए directly तो इधर अभी इसमें कुछ नहीं है. But they can, if they have interest in data science, machine learning, they can opt for that one. Same with the civil engineering. So I think I have taken. Is there any course in mobile application development? Yeah, there is one course in mobile application application development that you can opt. You can check it here. So I think I have done. We are running out of time. So please, like we have to move to the next session. Uh, the remaining answer will be given by the team. So, Jitesh, over to you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Screen visible. The screen is visible or not? Hello. To answer, sir, screen is visible.
So your screen is visible.
So, hands-on. This is a smart home using Google Firebase. So my voice is clear. My voice is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So in this, okay. So there are 6 steps in this hands-on. These are the 6 steps. First, we have to install the Arduino IDE, and we have to integrate you to the Arduino IDE integration of NodeMCU. Then we have to install Firebase libraries and Arduino JSON library. These are the 2 libraries we have to install, and the Firebase account creation and project setup. And the last one is there is a fingerprint update. So I'm quickly because many of students don't have hardware right now, I think. So you can use your mobile. So from step number 5, you have to do you have to make account on Firebase, and this step number 5 and 6 you can perform by using your mobile, and also you have to install a app on your mobile. So I am just giving you the complete knowledge of this hands-on. So this is the Arduino IDE. This Arduino IDE you have to install. So this is the you have to search on arduino.cc. This is the Arduino website. You have to click on this www.arduino.cc. This is the website, and here you have to click on software. Then after clicking on software, you have to install the Arduino IDE. So right now many students don't have hardware. So please see these steps and understand from the scratch how we make the project. So this Arduino IDE, this is the Arduino IDE version 1.8.19. You have to click on this Windows Win 7 and newer, and then click on just download. Then the Arduino IDE version 1.8.19 you will install. So this .exe you will download this, and then you have to install this. So the first step is Arduino IDE installation. So this is the step by which you can refer how to install the Arduino IDE. Now the second step in this part, please understand all the. So the second step in NodeMCU version number 2.7.3 integration to Arduino IDE. So see here, this is the second step. So NodeMCU version 2.7.3 integration to Arduino IDE. So for this, you have to open the Arduino IDE. Just click on File, then Preferences. Here you have to paste the link, add additional board manager URL. So this is the link that is in hypertext format. So this is the link, you have to paste it here. Then you have to click on OK. Now in the Arduino IDE tools, there is a board. It will show you Arduino, just click on boards manager. So you need a good internet speed right now for this step. Then you have to search in Boards Manager ESP8266. So the version number 7.3 you have to install the ESP8266 version 2.7.3, and then you have to click on install button. So you will install this Node MCU version 2.7.3. Okay. So when you connect the hardware, so right now in this hands-on, the link of this website. This is our website. This hardware we are using. So let it open. So right now we are using this Node MCU IoT development board. This board we are using. This is the node, and see here there are there's some sensor, DHT11 sensor, temperature humidity sensor, LDR sensor. There is a air quality sensor, ultrasonic sensor. There is a gyroscope and accelerometer, some LEDs, some push button dip switch, and for OLED display for our message display. And this is the power section. So this board right now we are using for this hands-on. So now in the second step, we integrate we connect the board with the USB cable. So it will show you the board is connected at like this, and we have to select the board Node MCU. So earlier the board is Arduino Uno. Now we have to change the board. So we are using Arduino IDE to program Node MCU. So this is the Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E. This one is the Node MCU ESP. This one, this board, and this part. This part is Node MCU. So we connect the USB cable with micro USB cable, and one side is USB cable. So we will use a micro USB cable for this. So this is the second step. So the first step, installation of Arduino IDE. The second step is we have to integrate Node MCU to the Arduino IDE. So issue any problem in this two steps? Do you have any doubt? Anyone? In these two steps, anyone? Do you have any doubt? You can write your doubt. So we will control home appliances using mobile app. So see here, this is the experiment. I will show you. We are doing this one. We are controlling home appliances using our mobile app. So we will make our mobile app. So you can search on see here. This is the IoT Academy page. Here you can check. I will share you the link. What we are doing. So this is we will perform this. Everyone. So here, this is the mobile app. In mobile, there is an app, and we are controlling home appliances. Like there is a relay board. This is our board right now we are using. So we are controlling the home appliances. So this project we are making right now, this hands-on, by using Google Firebase. So now I think many people now you easily understand what we are doing. So by mobile app we are controlling the home appliances. Okay. So now there is a third step, that is we have to install the Firebase library into the Arduino IDE. The first two steps. In first step we install the Arduino IDE, then we integrate Node MCU. In the third step we use the Firebase library. So that's why we have to install Firebase library. For this, we have to search on the Google Firebase Arduino library. So there is a link is open, Firebase extended library, and this is the Firebase library from Samsung. So this is the first link. First link you have to open. Then click on code. Then click on download zip. So you will get a zip file. The name of the zip file is Firebase Arduino Master. Now in the Arduino ID, you have to click on Sketch, Include Library. Then click on Add Zip Library. So the same zip library you have to select the library.zip format. You have to select, then click on Open. So now you will get this library on this path. You have to go this PC, documents. In document there is a Arduino folder. In Arduino there is a library folder. So inside libraries folder you will get Firebase Arduino Master Library. So this library you have to install manually. See here. These are the steps to installation in manually. And the second library, that is the Arduino JSON library. There is a Firebase Arduino JSON library you have to install. So how to install this library? Same in the Arduino ID, just click on Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library. Then here you have to search on Arduino JSON. And here you have to select the version number 5.13.2. This is the Arduino JSON by Benoit. This is the author of this library. So just you have to install the version number 5.13.2. So these are the fourth steps. We completed the 4 steps. See here, from starting, we installed the Arduino ID. Right now you don't have hardware, so that's why I am telling this step in very fast manner. From point number 5, you have to do. Okay, then you can control home appliances by your mobile at my side. At my side, I have this hardware. I have this complete setup. So you can control these lights by your mobile. Okay, so that's why I am telling these 4 steps very quickly. So you have to install Arduino ID. You integrate Node MCU to the Arduino ID. There is a Firebase library. You install Firebase library and Arduino JSON library. So now 4 steps you completed. Now come to the 5th step. Now everyone, you have to perform with me. The next step is Firebase account creation and project setup. Everyone, now open the Google and write Firebase. Everyone, please perform this part with me. Open the Google and write Firebase. And open this website firebase.google.com. Everyone, open this. So have you opened? Have you opened? Let me check your comments. Have you opened? Have you opened or not? So now, in this tab, because you have to log in through your Gmail, you can log in through your Gmail, then click on go to console, then click on go to console, and then click on add project. You have to log in through your Gmail ID. Click on go to console or you have to use your Gmail ID. Please confirm this. Now click on add project. Now click on add project. Then you have to write the project name. So see here in this experiment, what we are doing, see here, we are controlling the home appliances. So see here, by pressing the button on the app, you are turning on the light. See here, light 3, when I press the click, light 3 is turned on. When you click on light 4 is on. So you can turn on of these lights from any location. From any location, you can turn on and off the lights. Okay. Similarly, now you can turn off also by same mobile app. See here, by long press on the button, you are turning off the light. See here. So in this experiment, we are using Firebase. So we have to make account on the Firebase. So that's why this Firebase step is important. So everyone just quickly perform this. You have to write the node MCU IoT. You can write the project name, any name you can write. Then click on the continue because we are using Google Analytics for our Firebase project. Just click on the continue. Here it will ask for the same account for Google Analytics. So same Firebase account we are using for Google Analytics. Then click on continue. In this field, then we are using the real-time database. Just click on the real-time database, and here it is the create database. You have to click on create database. Now we are setting up in the database. Then click on the next, and in the log mode, right now we enable the database. Our database is right now in log mode. Means our data is secure. So we can change the rule of the data. So just go to rules. We can change here from false to true. So now where the false is written, we return the true, and then click on publish, then click on continue. So this type of URL you are getting. So same this type of URL. This is the project URL we are getting. We have to copy into the paste into the our code. So see here right now. I have also the Firebase account. See here, I have already the Firebase account, and open it. Same the go to console. And I have already project. You have to click on add project. I have already project the node MCU IoT. See here, there is a real-time database. So this type of link you will get. And this is the code. We have to paste the link here in my code. Okay. And we have to copy the link and paste into the code. Similarly, we need a Firebase authentication key. So from this setting button, we have to click on project setting. Here you will get the service account, and here we will get the authentication key. We have to copy this authentication key. We have to copy into the paste into the code. So the authentication key we have to paste it here. This is the authentication key. Okay. So this is my Wi-Fi name and password right now. This is my Wi-Fi name and my Wi-Fi password. Wi-Fi name, and this is my Wi-Fi password. We have to write. Okay. And anyone have got this project URL and authentication key? Have you got? Have you got the authentication key? And so now this is the final step. Now we have to update the fingerprint library. So in the same path, this PC document Arduino library, Firebase Arduino master. So there in SRC folder, there is a Firebase HTTP client.h. We have to open with Notepad, and we have to change the fingerprint. So in the Firebase, we have to copy the link, and in the GRC fingerprint in Google, we have to write in GRC fingerprint in Google and open this website www.grc.com, and we have to paste the link of our project. That link we will get from the Firebase. The same link we copied into the code also. The same link we required, and we click on the fingerprint site. So that copy a fingerprint, we will get a code. This fingerprint we have to copy into this notepad file, and we have to save it. Then we have to close the Arduino ID and open it again. We have to change it. So see here, right now I am also doing with you. Open the Google. This is the GRC fingerprint. This is grc.com. We have to open this website. And this is the project URL we have to copy. And in the fingerprint website, we have to paste it here. So HTTPS is already there. So we have to remove this part. There are a lot of steps in this. Then we click on fingerprint site and see here, this fingerprints we will get. So we have to go into same folder. I already document, and in document there is a Arduino there is a library, Firebase Arduino master, and in SRC there is Firebase HTTP client.h. In this file, open the notepad and we have to paste it here. I have already pasted. You have to paste it here, the fingerprint, and then save it and close it. And I have to close this Arduino ID again. So now I close the Arduino ID and I will open the Arduino ID again. So now everyone open the. So now we need application. Like see here in this we make app. So there is a this is the MIT App Inventor, and everyone open this MIT App Inventor and open like a new tab. This is the MIT App Inventor. Please open this website, MIT App Inventor. Everyone. And open this website. Now you have to click on create apps. You have to use your Gmail ID. You have to use your same Gmail ID that you are using for the Google Firebase. So just sign in using your Gmail ID. And this is for the app inventor. So, sir, have you shared that .aia file? Have you shared that .aia file? So you will get a .aia file like this type of file. I will show you this type, home automation.aia. Have you shared the link of the file? Apur sir, have you shared the link of the file? So this type of file you will get. My power. Hello. The screen visible? Screen visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
So this is the MIT App Inventor here. So you will get a .ai. So Apurv sir, have you shared the .ai file to the participants? Please acknowledge. There is a please share the link. Apurv sir, please share the link. You shared, please acknowledge.
Yes, sir, sharing.
Have you shared, sir? So here, if you got the .ai file, so just click on project, and here is the click on import project.aia from computer. So just click on browse, and here you have to search the same AIA file that you downloaded. So this type of file you will get .aia. Just click on open. Then click on the OK. This is the home automation. You can write the 26 June name and click on OK. We will get this type of app. Then click on Firebase data, Firebase DB1. Here you have to paste the token and Firebase. So you will here, and the token you will get from settings. We already done project setting, and here in the service account you will get the token, the same which you copied into the. for MIT Companion. Search for, I will write the name, MIT I2 Companion. Please install this app. So now the code is still compiling. So it will take some time. So similarly, see here, now you can, by using an app, by this hardware connection, you are controlling the thing. Have your Firebase URL, because in MIT App Inventor, I need two things. Your Firebase token, if you share your Firebase URL and token, the same I will copy here and in this code also. Then you can control this complete hardware by your mobile application. If you share this, so your Firebase URL and token, the same thing we have to copy into MIT App Inventor and in our code, so you can control home appliances. The same app you will get. So now code is still compiling, it will take some time. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can ask anyone. In Q&A, I can take your doubts. Anyone, do you have any doubt? So have you got the Firebase URL and token? Have you got the Firebase URL and token? Anyone? Have you got the Firebase URL and token? Now see here, the code is uploading. We are controlling the home appliances through app. So the code is compiled and my node MCU trying to connect with internet. So it is trying to connect with internet. It will take some time. It is taking some time because there is some power cut. Due to some power cut, the router is not right now. I will upload code again. So see here, same thing. You can control the home appliances. So anyone, if you share your Fire home appliances like this, the same hardware, we can control the home appliances by the hardware. So this is from our side. You can check our. I will share the link of this video. You can check this. You can control home appliances. So this type of project we will make in this training. You will make this. This is one of the IoT projects. So I shared the link. You can check. If there is any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Is there any doubt? So now we can conclude our session. Sir, this is the end from my side.
The webinar has ended. Thank you for joining. Goodbye.